We were strolling down George Street, I think it was, in Sydney, when we heard the sound of gunfire. Nobody seemed very surprised by the noise, and when we got closer, we found it was actually firecrackers, along with a two-man Chinese lion and a supporting drum and cymbal band. It was Chinese New Year, February the 12th, 2002. All over Sydney's Chinatown, roving groups of Chinese were seeing out the Year of the Snake and welcoming the Year of the Horse. The Nian, animal spirit, is out and about at New Year, trying to devour people, but thunder scares it away. The firecrackers stand in for thunder. Red is a lucky colour. It wards off negative energy, so banks and shops were full of red decorations. The lion and his assistants did their bit to bring good luck to financial institutions by dancing through the building and scattering red paper and lettuce, though the scattering took place outside where it was easy to sweep up. The lettuce is to feed the lion. Now, I didn't know Chinese lions were vegetarian, and perhaps they're not. Maybe that's why they were making all the noise. There were lots of different groups out and about at New Year's. Firecrackers were exploding in one direction or another all morning. Apparently the groups had organised who they were going to visit. Still, the good luck seems to be a bit late for this company. It's going out of business. It still created a lot of interest though, mostly from tourists and Caucasians. Chinese seem to take it all for granted.